Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. And once again, guys, if you were patient and you listened to me, it's exactly what we predicted. Okay, we talked about selling up here, we sold. We talked about buying down here, we bought, and then we sold up here. And then I talked about being patient, guys. Be patient. I said you guys can do whatever you want, but I said if this uh, resistance area, support area, I should say, doesn't hold up, then we could see our next level down to the 3,300 mark, right? Which is currently not doing too well. And I'm going to give you a great example. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But look how we held up here. And then as soon as we broke, we just crashed through it because it just wasn't holding. Okay, this was major support. And once we broke it, it was downhill from here. Now, what are we seeing? Okay, and this is on the 1 hour Bitcoin chart. All right. Well, we got this area at 32.98, and I just got home. I've been very busy today. I had to take care of some things. I was waiting for Bitcoin and Ethereum to go down anyways. So, but we'll talk. That doesn't matter. What matters is the charts right now, right? So, anyways, the way they got this support was if we go to the 4 hour chart, okay, you're going to see multiple touches right here. Okay, so that turned into support right here. Okay, now on the 1 hour chart, if we go to the 1 hour chart, okay, it looks like a great bounce right here. But then what happened, guys? We got rejected. We got rejected on our previous support, which is now resistance. So now what's happening? Well, if we go to the 15-minute chart, we're almost, and I hate to be Debbie Downer, and I'm not a 15-minute guy, but you could even go to the 30-minute chart and make it a little bit higher, okay? And I don't like being a Debbie Downer, okay? I mean, I still haven't purchased any Bitcoin yet. Let's see here. I think I might take a little position, but I want to see what happens here. I want to see if we get a double bounce. Because if you look at this and you look at this M pattern, okay, that's a little M pattern developing. All right. So if this bottom breaks at 33,100, we could see, let's see here. We could see this happen. Let me take off the lock. Okay. All right there. Let me take off the extension because that's still on. Okay. Now let's move this down. Now these are not as strong as the higher time frames, but people do trade these. So we got to be careful of this. Okay, so we could reach this 32,500 area or this 32,300 area. Okay, so just be aware of that. We're going to watch this closely, and then maybe we can start dollar cost averaging in. Okay, just like we did. I mean, guys, we caught all the bottoms, call the tops, right? So maybe that's a possibility. We're going to keep an eye on this. Okay, so that's Bitcoin right now, short term. All right. So far we're killing everything. Ethereum, as you guys know, I did erase my comment here, but yesterday I talked about selling at this 22.77 level. Guys, we killed it again. I mean, I don't even know what else to say. We crushed it. We bought the bottom down here. Okay. Then we broke out of our two wedges here. Okay. Then we came up. Then I talked about selling it here. Then we sold it. We got the double bounce. Then I talked about breaking this line and this W. So then we bought back in. We made another extra 5%. So we caught the top. Then we sold it. And now we're back down here, right? And then guess what happened, guys? We went down and the level I told you guys that we were going to touch, which did hit support here. It actually came down and perfectly touched my line of support, which I talked about, okay, a potential, if this doesn't hold up, then we look for this, okay? We got the bounce, okay? But then eventually, sorry about that, eventually we ended up breaking down. We broke a little bit underneath it, okay? Now, could, let's say, 1956 or 1997, like I talked about, be in play? Yes, it can, guys. Yes, it can. If Bitcoin doesn't hold up, which it's kind of creating this M as we're speaking. So if that doesn't hold up, then yeah, we could start seeing Ethereum go down a little lower. Now, like I told you guys, if Bitcoin drops, Ethereum could stay up in this over this $2,000 range. I talked about that, or maybe 1997 at the worst, because Ethereum's looking stronger than Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin could drop down to these levels and Ethereum could stay strong. It could go down, but it could stay strong. Okay. Now, could this turn into a W? Yes, it can. All right. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. Could we do something like this where we come up, we come back down, then we come back up, and then we break this area right here? Yes, we could do that, guys. And then we go up from here and we break through this resistance and get the bounce and go. So that's a possibility, okay? So I just wanted to get this quick update out to you guys. We're looking horrible on the 4-hour ribbons. We're looking not good on the ribbons here. You can even see we're on the hourly, just not looking good. We might not hold up here. Okay, so I'm going to get this video out as soon as I can. Much love to you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, Moondog Trading. Okay, that's my YouTube channel. Make sure you get the sub and you hit the all so you guys don't miss my videos. If you guys would have been patient, you guys would be in a perfect position to buy at these cheap levels, okay, and get it cheaper. All right, so make sure you hit the bell and hit the all. And you can also follow me on Twitter, Moondog Trading 1. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, now I'm going to end this video and get it out to you guys. Much love. Peace out.